Happy morning, children. A warm welcome to Shaper Group online class. Come on, children. We start our class with a new topic today. Students, today I am going to teach you the lesson time from the subject Maths. Students, in your previous class, you have learned more about time. So, let me revise you few topics. So, how will you read the time, children? This shorter hand is hour and this longer hand is minute hand. So, first tell me what is the time? Read the time and tell me what's the time? Yes, it is 6 o'clock. When will you go to school, children? At 8:30 a.m. Then, how will you say this time? Right, 9:15. How will you say this time, children? Yes, tell me. 8:45. Yes. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So in this lesson you are going to know how to add the hours and minutes and how to subtract the hours and minutes. And you are going to calculate the duration between 1 hour to next hour. Children, clear? Let me explain you how to add the hours and minutes. Clear, children? Hours and minutes between two time. Okay, 4 hours 30 minutes and 2 hours 45 minutes. Here they have given hours 4 hours 30 minutes as 2 hours 45 minutes. So we are going to add this and let us see what happened. So first 0 plus 5, children, it becomes 5. 3 plus 4, it becomes 7. So 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. Children, tell me if 6 hours 75 minutes is possible. No, it is not possible. Do you know why? Because our 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Here we get the answer 75 minutes. So we are going to split this 75 minutes into hour and minutes. Clear? So இந்த 75 minutes நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், hour ஆகும் minutes ஆகும் separate பண்ண போகிறோம். So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So this 75 minutes is separated as 60 plus 15 minutes. Do you understand, children? So 60 minutes refers to 1 hour. 1 hour 15 minutes. So next step, we have to add this 1 hour to the 6. Clear? 6 plus 1, 7. 7 hour 15 minutes is the answer. Let me explain you again. So when we add 4 hours 30 minutes plus 2 hours 45 minutes, we get the answer 6 hours 75 minutes. So 75 minutes is not possible because in a 1 hour we are having only 60 minutes. So we are splitting this 75 minutes as 60 plus 50 minutes. Clear? So this 60 minutes is converted into 1 hour plus 15 minutes. This 1 hour is added to the hour and the answer becomes 7 hours 15 minutes. Students, let me explain you another sum so that you can observe it clearly and know how to do this sum. So next sum is 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hours 35 minutes. So children, here I have written hours and minutes separately. 3 hours 45 minutes plus 1 hours 35 minutes. Now let me add this. 5 plus 5, 10. What we have to do, children? We are not supposed to write the 10 as it is here. What we will do? We will carry the number to the previous number and it becomes 1 as carrying. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So hours, 3 plus 1, 4. Children, in this sum we got the answer 4 hours 80 minutes. Is 80 minutes is possible for us to do the sum? No, because in 1 hour we have only 60 minutes. So again we have to split this 80 minutes as, split it out, 60 plus 20 minutes. Clear? Now this 60 minutes is converted into 1 hour 20 minutes. Now what we have to do, children? We have to add this 1 hour to the number 4. So 4 plus 1 becomes 5 hour 20 minutes. I think everyone understand this concept, how to add the hours with minutes and then how to convert the minutes into hours and then answer. You will get the answer. After converting these minutes, you will get the answer. Clear, children? Students, we move on to the next topic, subtraction. So how to calculate the subtraction in hours and minutes. Let us see, children. 5 hours 10 minutes minus 2 hours 35 minutes. So I have written here separately hours and minutes. 5 hours 10 minutes, 2 hours 35 minutes. Children, just see here. If 10 minus 35 is possible, children, no, we can't able to subtract 0 minus 5. We can't able to borrow a number from 1 because it is hours and minutes. So we have to borrow a number from hours, not from the minutes. Clear, children? So when we borrow a number from hours, it becomes 4 hours. And 1 hour is here added. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 60 plus 10. 60 plus 10, 70 minus 35. Now do the subtraction, children. 0 minus 5 is not possible. Subtract it. Borrow it from the 7. It becomes 6. And here it becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 35. 4 minus 2, 2. So the answer is 2 hours 35 minutes. So நம்மளால மினிட்ஸில் borrow பண்ண முடியாது. 0 minus 5 subtract ஆகாது. So 1லேருந்து borrow பண்ண முடியாது. What we are going to do, we are borrowing from the hours. ஹவர்ஸ்லேருந்து 1 hour வாங்கி இந்த 10ஓட add பண்ணி then we are doing the subtraction. Clear? Now we move on to the next sum. 4 hours 20 minutes, 2 hours 40 minutes. Now observe the sum, children. 0 minus 0 we can subtract and put 0. But 2 minus 4 is not possible. What we have to do, children? We have to borrow a number from the hours. So here 4 becomes, yes, you are right, it becomes 3. And we are going to add 60 minutes with 20 minutes here. So 60 plus 20. What the answer, children? 80 minus 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 4, 4. So we have to write the answer here. It is 40 minutes. Then 3 minus 2, 1. So we get the answer 1 hours 40 minutes. Everyone is clear? So minus ஒன்றுமே இல்லாமல் நம்மளால் மினிட்ஸில் borrow பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ ஹவர்ஸ்லேருந்து 1 hour borrow பண்ணி 60 minutes add பண்ணி மைனஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஹவர்ஸை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் வாங்குறோம். அவ்வளோதான். Students, we now move on to the topic word problem in time. So whenever we are doing a word problem, first we have to read and understand. Then we have to gather the information from the word problem, decide the operation, and finally you can solve the problem. So here Krishna goes to his village. He travels 4 hours 35 minutes in bus and 1 hour 55 minutes. What is the total time of travel? Let me explain you this problem, children. Krishna வந்து அவங்க village போகிறாங்க. He travels in a bus for 4 hours 35 minutes and he is traveling in a two-wheeler for 1 hour 55 minutes. They are asking you what is the total time of travel. So when we ask total, when we see the total, what operation we have to do, children? We have to add the sum. So first I help you for writing your statements. So travel in bus for 4 hours 35 minutes. Travel in two-wheeler 1 hour 55 minutes. Now we started adding the numbers, children. 5 plus 5 it becomes 10. So we have to write 0 here. 1 as carrying. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 5 9. Now we add in hours. 4 plus 1 it becomes 5. So children, I already told you in addition sum we have to split this 90 minutes into hours and minutes. So split it out. So 90 minutes becomes 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 minutes. So already I told you 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 1 hour 30 minutes. Now what we have to do, children? We have to add this 1 hour to the hours. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6 and 30 minutes. Now we assume the total time of travel by Krishna. Therefore Krishna travels totally for 6 hours 30 minutes. Everyone understand the sum, children? So we have to add and then split this minutes into hours and minutes. Then convert the hours with minutes into hours. Add the hour to the hour end and we get the answer. Now move on to the next word problem, children. A circus start at 2:15 p.m. and end after 2:30 hours. At what time the circus ends? So circus வந்து 2:15 in the afternoon start ஆகுதுமா. அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் எவ்வளோ நேரம் போகுதுன்னா 2:30 hours. 2 hours 30 minutes போகுது. They are asking at what time the circus ends. அப்போது எந்த டைமுக்கு சர்க்கஸ் முடியும்? So I help you with the statement. Starting time of a circus is 2:15 p.m. So 2 hours 15 minutes. Duration take for a program is 2 hours 30 minutes. Now we have to add. Then only we get the answer what time the circus ends. So 5 plus 0, children. 5. 1 plus 3 4. 2 plus 2 4. So we get the answer that the circus ends at 4:45 p.m. Clear, children? So 2:15 க்கு start our program. 2 hours 30 minutes நடக்குது. So we are doing the addition facts here. Then when we add we get 4 hours 45 minutes answer. So the program, its ending time is 4 hours 45 minutes. We referred here the answer as 4:45 p.m. Dear children, I hope everyone understand the concept of time in addition, subtraction and word problems clearly. I think everyone understand the concept. So meet you in the next class, dears. Until then, bye. Have a good day.